The Russian war in Ukraine has been devastating, and obviously the losses are huge, but the war is going to be over, and we have to think about the reconstruction of Ukraine now, to lay out the plans and do the proper preparations. One thing we emphasize in the report is that the reconstruction of Ukraine is not restoring Ukraine to the way it was on February 23rd, 2022. The reconstruction of Ukraine is really about a deep modernization of the country. You really try to use this opportunity, this tragedy, to upgrade Ukraine technologically. For example, we have to rebuild lots and lots of cities. We have modern technologies to make the cities greener, more energy efficient, more livable. It doesn't have to look like a post-Soviet residential area. It's not about rebuilding bridges, factories, schools, hospitals. It's also about a radical modernization of institutions. So you have to change software and hardware for the country. That's the main message of the book. We try to divide this enormous task into 14 sectors. What do you do with infrastructure? What do you do with education? What do you do with the financial sector? And then we try to look in depth in each of these sectors. We often talk about Ukraine as taking a lot of aid from the European Union, but it's really a win-win situation. Ukraine has a lot to offer to the European Union. Food security, IT industry. One conclusion we have in the book is that the destiny of Ukraine is now so intertwined with the destiny of Europe, global security, that we really want to make sure that the reconstruction of Ukraine is a success story.